Hi Trash Pandas, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I am bringing you a little video. Whoa, what's my arm doing? I'm bringing you a little video on how I became a VTuber. A lot of my streamer friends are asking me how I started and what program or app I used to create the VTubers that I have used in the past. So today is going to be a super easy video to help you guys out on how to start. So the first app I used when I first wanted to start and kind of see what it was like to be a VTuber was the Reality app. Now you can get that on iPhone or on Android. I'll post a picture of what it looks like and what my model looked like. Now it's a free game, but it is a gacha type game. So if you want special outfits and stuff, you will have to like pay, and then they do like a little roll thing, and you may or may not get that hairstyle or that outfit or stuff like that. So it's kind of one of those types of games. But what I did was I made a character, and the cool thing about that is that you can use it on your phone and you can make TikToks or whatever. I just screenshot it, screen recorded, and that's how I made the TikToks with that character. And then whenever I used it on streaming, I just sent a screen share of my phone to my computer, and then, you know, just put that into OBS. And that's how I would stream with that VTuber. It's super easy. Like I said, it's free. It's a great way to start if you want to just kind of like mess around and kind of see what it's like. But after something like that, I went to Vroid Studio. Now, Vroid Studio is also a free program. It is used on your phone, on your computer, on your PC, and it's like a character creation. It's pretty easy. You get to pick what it looks like. You get to do things like that. I will show you right now a little bit more. If you, like I said, if you want something that's more like in depth of how to use it, I can make a video on that for you guys. Let me just move out of the way here so I can show you. So here's the program. Like I said, it's free to use. You can pick a feminine body or a masculine body. We're gonna just pick a female. And like I said, it's super easy to use. You get to pick what kind of eyebrows you want. You know, actually these are eyes. Oh, this is a whole face, sorry. You just get to kind of mess around, choose what you want it to look like. You can move this eye sockets and stuff right behind my head here. Your eye size, like, it's very customizable. You can choose what your eye looks like. You can change the colors of your eyes, of course, the highlights. Here's the eyebrows. You can do different types of eyeliner, your nose, what you want your nose to look like. Here, over here, you can change the color of your nose, the width of your nose. So it's very customizable, and you can make it look however you want it to look. Let me see. Okay, let me go to the hairstyles real quick. So you can do your hairstyles, whatever you want. Like I said, you can change the colors. You can see it up here, up on the top. Change what your hair looks like, the front, the back, and really everything. You 100% customize it however you want it to look. Outfits, different outfits. It comes with outfits. Here we go. Look at how fast that was. In a couple of minutes, we already have a little VTuber going on here. I don't know. That definitely does not go together. But you know, you do whatever you want. You have different accessories. So if you want to add glasses, you can also add ears. Here you go. Just like a rabbit jogger person. And yeah. So you get to change all that, small boobas, big boobas, body. Like if you want to be a little bit more like a thicker, yeah, you can make that. You could be thicker if you want. You could be skinny. You could be cut. I think as a male, I think you can have like different body shapes as well. I'm not too sure. I don't mess with the men's side, but I think you can set all that as well. But yeah, that's pretty much easy peasy. That's it for that. And you know, you save it, and I use VC Face. I put it into VC Face, and then I screen capture onto OBS, and that's how I use that. Now with Vroid Studio, you can use a website called booth.pm. And booth.pm, you can actually download different like hair or skin or eyes or things like that. And a lot of it is, there's a whole bunch of them that are free. And then of course there's some that you have to pay for. And usually the ones that you have to pay for, it's not very expensive. It's like a couple bucks. So let me show you that real quick. So here is booth.pm, super easy. It's just like a website that is, this one is in English, booth.pm/English, and I'll put it in English for you. But you can do different things, like here's some hairstyles. Look at that. You can get this. You can get this. This is specially made for Vroid, so you can put this into Vroid Studio, and then easy peasy, upload it, and then you'd have this cute little hairstyle with a tail, it says. So very, very cute. Now with Booth PM, be sure that you're reading the summaries, because some of this stuff cannot be used commercially. So you need to be sure you are reading all this stuff before you buy anything. It's very, very important that you read all this terms and stuff, because some of this stuff will say you cannot use it commercially. So if you're going to be streaming with it or things like that, you need to be sure that that is what, you know, it is what you're going to be using your vtuber for, or your character for. Now 600, let's see. Let's convert this real quick. It's $4.54 to use this. Now like I said, you can get all kinds of different stuff. You can get outfits. You can get tons of different stuff. Like you can get backgrounds if you want to get a backgrounds, things like that. You can put that into your OBS studio. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Easy peasy. Now this model that I have here, I did buy off of Booth, and then from there I customized her how I wanted, changed her face, her eyes, I changed her hair, I changed her ears, I changed a lot of stuff. But I did that, this character I edited and fixed in Unity. Now Unity is a whole different thing. So this is just basic stuff. Now Unity, like I said, is a whole different thing, or even Blender, that's a whole different thing, and that's a place where you would fix like your facial expressions, like oh, ah, ooh, this is not ooh. That's where you would fix stuff like that, or you would make your blend shapes for your facial recognition for your iPhone. Now the Realty app kind of has something already similar into the app. It's not going to be like super good tracking or anything, but it's I mean, like I said, for starting, it's perfect. Vroid Studio as well, like you'll have basic facial expressions. You won't be able to like cheek puff up, or you know, wink and stuff like that. You won't be able to do that. You would have to do that in Unity. But for starting, I mean, it's perfect, and you can spend probably hours in Vroid Studio fixing stuff up, or hours on Booth and like looking for stuff that you're like, this would be perfect for my avatar. So you can do that. It's super easy. Perfect for the start. if you guys have any questions, let me know. I think I pretty much hit everything of how I, well, what's going on there? How I did this, how I started out. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. Super easy. Yeah. I think that's it. Good night, goodbye. You guys have a great day, Trash Pandas, and I will see you on Twitch or wherever else. I'm gonna be trying to put up at least one YouTube video a week for you guys. I've been going ham on TikTok, so if you're not following me on TikTok, go do that. Yeah, okay guys, bye. See you later.